All right, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Friday, and we're diving deep into some exciting Friday trading action here, as you can clearly see. These are some of my active trades, and I'm really excited to share them with you today. Everything you see marked in blue, those are essentially my active trades right now. I'm currently sitting at a very respectable 59% profit on AARCM. Let me tell you straight up, and I want to be super clear about this. These are pretty much all what I like to call shitcoins. You know, those highly speculative tokens that are really just designed for a quick weekend pump. They're not long-term investments, but they offer some incredible opportunities for fast gains, as you can see demonstrated here. I'm up 59% on AARCM, and we're definitely going to talk a lot more about this particular one in just a moment. Now, about BIP1. This specific token is actually scheduled to be delisted, yet surprisingly, it's currently pumping at an astonishing 52%. I always get this strange feeling, this gut feeling right before these kinds of crazy jumps happen. Masas, I'm currently shorting that one, as well as Root. For CD, I'm waiting for some pullbacks, some significant pullbacks before I even consider entering that trade. MJT, I'm shorting that one too. Manuki, when it's in a root, meaning it's in a weekly spot trade, I'm shorting that. RS3, I'm also shorting that in a weekly spot trade. And Argo, which is another token we'll be discussing later, I'm currently shorting that as well. Based on all my co-trade indicators and everything I'm seeing, I honestly believe this weekend is going to be incredibly dynamic. My indicators are showing some really unusual patterns, suggesting things might not go as expected for some of these. But that's where the opportunities lie for those of us who are paying close attention and, willing to take calculated risks.
Now, I must emphasize, and I can't stress this enough, this is absolutely not financial advice, okay? This is purely a beta test. I'm testing this indicator live with all of you watching. If you want to follow along with this dance, that's totally cool. I highly encourage you to subscribe to the channel, and you'll get an exclusive look into how I developed this incredible indicator. My indicator, as I mentioned, is the version 3.0. We've had version 1, then version 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.6, 2.8, and now finally version 3.0. It's not available to the public just yet, but it builds upon the foundational principles of 2.6 and 2.8, and it's closely tied to Fibonacci levels. What it's telling me, if you look closely, is that I've actually set up a Fibonacci extension on a higher time frame. And according to this Fibonacci extension, the target I mentioned could very well be reached. So let's wait and see what happens, shall we? I'm currently looking at the 1-hour chart, and the trade is on AAR Core. I don't really know what this token does in the real world, and frankly, at this point, it's not the most important thing. What truly matters is how much profit I'm going to make from this move, right? I entered right here, as you can easily identify, at the middle of the channel, exactly where that vector appeared. So my entry was quite precise at 12.94. This, for instance, has already moved up to 23.5. I'm not sure if I'm ahead of myself here, but when it eventually reaches my target, believe me, I'm not going to leave it there. My target for this trade is 82, 85, 92, and 91. If this kind of insightful analysis and real-time trading interests you, then make sure you subscribe. If you want to join me on this journey, I have a fantastic community. Right here, as you can see, there are 2,220 people in my community. The link is in the bio for TikTok and at the bottom of this video on YouTube. And if you're interested in joining my private team's newsletter, where I share all my exclusive calls, we currently have 6,503 people on my team. You can see it right here. Good. So if this piques your interest, please send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the team. There you have it. That pretty much wraps up this short but sweet